Hi guys, welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the MMP at 004 Industrial and Employment Relations. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all answers in PDF in the handwritten form. If you are looking for these answers, so we are here for help you. And here that you can see the questions is given, which is related to the Indian Railways navigating industrial and employment relations in a massive organization. So questions are given that you can see. So total questions, right? So format is also given here, evolution criteria, whichever. So for information, we have solved these assignments according to the criteria and whichever the format is given. And if you are looking for these answers, so we are here for, and we are very glad to help you to. So this you can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.